Namaste, welcome to Arthaniti. In today's video, I will be telling you some fun facts about Berkshire Hathaway and its annual shareholder meeting. Now, why I thought of telling this is Berkshire shareholder meeting was held on Sunday, like every year, and it had a massive audience of nearly 40,000 people. People from far and wide, not only in the US but all over the world, who are avid Warren Buffett followers, make it a point to get passes to these meetings. It is not necessary for you to be a Berkshire shareholder in case you want to attend such meeting. Getting hold of a meeting pass is all that you need to listen to the two legends, Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett, in person. Now, in today's video, I will be telling you about some fun facts, and keep on looking out for the next video where I will be telling you some key takeaways that from the meeting that was held on Sunday. So let's start today's video. Before we start with the fun facts about the meeting, I want to tell you in short about what the business of Berkshire Hathaway is. All of us know that businesses are either into manufacturing a product or partaking a service or trading. Correct? Take for example the case of Apple or Google, Microsoft, or a trading business like Amazon. Correct, but Berkshire Hathaway is in no such business. Then how come it is such a huge conglomerate, and how come Warren Buffett has reached the fifth spot in the list of the world's richest person? Yes, his net worth is nearly $105 billion. He does not manufacture anything, he does not give any service. He, in the sense, his company, neither his company is in any trading business. Then what is the business of Berkshire Hathaway? Well, Berkshire Hathaway is in the business of holding other company stocks. Yes, it is a holding conglomerate. It holds shares in companies which are into manufacturing, which are into servicing, which are into trading. That is the work of Berkshire Hathaway. The profit that this company earns is by way of dividends from its investments, right? So, this is a unique business that Berkshire is in. Um, Today, Berkshire holds or has a portfolio of nearly 47 companies. Apple shares are one of the major shareholdings in the whole portfolio of Berkshire Hathaway. Over a period of, say, 6 decades, Berkshire has taken over nearly 53 companies. Now, when I told you Berkshire is in the business of investing money, to invest money, you need some money. What is the source of money from where Berkshire is getting all the funding to invest in other companies? Does it take loans from banks? Well, taking loans on such a huge scale is relatively impossible. The 53 companies that Berkshire Hathaway has taken over, most of the companies are in the insurance business. Now, what is the business of insurance? See, in insurance, what happens is when we take up an insurance policy, we keep on paying premiums. So, you pay premiums first, and only at a future date of time, there is repayment of the sum insured. Take the case of life insurance or general insurance, say like your motor vehicle insurance or corporate insurances. Premiums are always paid in advance, and only the possibility of paying the sum insured arises at a future period of time. So, the period between which the premium is received by the insurance company and the repayment is due has a long duration. This free float is what is the source of funding of Berkshire Hathaway, right? They have nearly As of the last year, as of 2022, they have nearly 145 billion worth of float, which is practically cost free funding. Correct? If you take a loan from the bank, you have to pay interest. If you take if you raise capital by way of equity shares, you have to pay back dividends. This funding that they receive is practically cost free. So this is what is the distinctive advantage of Berkshire Hathaway. Now these funds, when invested by the intelligence of Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett, has helped create Berkshire Hathaway what it is today. Truly a holding conglomerate. Right now, coming to this annual shareholder meeting, well, people from all around the world who are ardent investors and followers of the Warren Buffett philosophy of investing look at this meeting as a pilgrimage. Normally we used to listen to our grandparents going to Kashi, Mathura on religious pilgrimages, correct? But for an investor, going to this meeting, which is held every year in Nebraska, Omaha in USA, is no less than a pilgrimage. Why? Because of the two experts, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, who talk about their experiences in investing and share their knowledge with people who are present there physically. Correct? Even if it is not possible for you to be present there physically, you can very well check out the live stream of this meeting, which this year was done on CNBC. I will be posting the link to that CNBC YouTube video. It is a good 7 hour long video, and you can check out the proceedings of the meeting through that link. Now, some fun facts about the meeting. Already told you that the meeting, which was held on Saturday, saw 40,000 people from across the globe in attendance. Now, what is so special? The special is Warren Buffett was presiding over his 59th shareholder meeting. Warren Buffett today is 92 years of age. Charlie Munger is 99 years of age. And the knowledge and up to date that they are about the happenings in the surrounding world is just breathtaking. Correct? People ask them questions for 5 long hours, ranging from the health of the banking system in the US China relation, the AI phenomena, and will it disrupt the world? How will it disrupt the world? What is whether they made some emotional investing mistakes, you name it, and those were the questions that were asked by people to these nanogenarians for 5 long hours. And the wit and humor with which they answered the questions, this video is worth a watch. I will be telling you about the key takeaways of this meeting in my next video. Please look out for that. Right? And so that's it. One thing that Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett advise people, and have done so again and again in this meeting as well, is their philosophy of value investing. What Buffett means by that is he always tries to buy a company low and sell it only in case of need. The longer he stays invested in a company, the better it is. And he advises investors of ignoring short term, what do I say, short term volatility when they have studied a stock fully and have a time span of longer duration in mind. One thing that people like us, small time investors, should learn from what Buffett and Munger say. Both of them, as I told you, Charlie Munger is 99 and Warren Buffett is 92 years. So they don't think from, say, next 1 year or 2 years point of time, because they are at such a ripe age. At 92 and 99, they are still thinking 50 years ahead, 60 years ahead, when they decide about investing in a particular company. So you can imagine the time span that they have in mind before making investment decisions. This approach to investing is the most distinctive factor that has made Berkshire Hathaway what it is today. Correct. So if you want to follow their method in investing, their methodology in investing, do check out this link that I will be posting in the video description, and go through the video as and how you get time. It is an encyclopedia of how investing should be carried out. I hope you have liked my video. Look out for my next video on key takeaways from that meeting, and stay safe. Goodbye.